Wow. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cheesy sweet corn parcels. It's a very simple recipe. I'm going to use the ready-made sheets today. I will try to upload a homemade version as soon as possible. Come on, let's get started. For the stuffing, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of oil to a pan. To this, I'm going to add one onion which I have finely chopped. Saute this for a minute. After a minute, I'm going to add one tomato which I have finely chopped. Also adding half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and let this cook for 1 or 2 minutes. To this, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Schezwan chutney, 1/4 cup of frozen sweet corn. You can also replace sweet corn with any vegetables of your choice. I'm just going to add 5 to 6 tablespoons of water and let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now our stuffing is ready. I'm going to turn off the flame. I'm using the ready-made spring roll sheet from Schezwan brand today. These are available in any supermarket. Take one sheet and then fold it into half. So first I'm going to place some cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese or any cheese blend. On top of this, I'm going to place the stuffing. I have taken 2 tablespoons of Maida, which is all-purpose flour, and mixed it with water to make it a slurry. Apply it on all the corners. This helps to seal the corners well. That's it. So you can make any shapes that you would prefer. This is how it should look. Now gently drop it in hot oil and deep fry them. Flip it after a few seconds, maybe 20 to 30 seconds, and let the other side cook for 20 to 30 more seconds. This is done. Let's transfer this to a tissue paper to remove excess oil. Our yummy cheesy parcels are now ready. It's time to taste. Wow. A perfect evening snack. You must definitely try this if you are trying to impress your kid. It's a mix of pizza, spring roll, a crispy layer. It's too good. Definitely give this a try. Please do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.